In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Apple Pay to your Shopify store with this simple tutorial. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify user or just starting your online store journey, integrating Apple Pay is a great way to offer your customers a convenient and secure payment option. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin page. Once you've logged in, ensure you're on the home page of your store's admin section. From the home page, we're going to look for the next step, which will take us a bit deeper into the settings of your store. So go ahead and find the settings button. This is usually located towards the bottom left corner of your admin interface. Clicking on this will take you to a new menu where you're going to see a whole selection of options that allow you to control various aspects of your store. After you've clicked on settings, you'll want to locate and select payments. This section of the Shopify admin panel is dedicated to everything related to payment methods and will be our focus today. Now, once you're in the payment section, you're going to see a series of panels or tiles where Shopify lets you manage different payment providers. Next, look for the option that says choose a provider. This is an important step because Apple Pay is considered a third-party payment provider on Shopify. Clicking here allows you to explore the various providers you can add. After you've done that, you might see a small icon or button associated with a search feature. Click on this icon so you can easily search the list of available options. This makes the process a bit quicker and avoids having to scroll through a long list manually. Now, type in Apple Pay into the search field and you should see it pop up as one of your options. What you're going to do next is pretty straightforward. Simply click on Apple Pay. This will initiate the process of adding Apple Pay as a payment option on your store. Once you've clicked on Apple Pay, you'll likely see a few configuration options. So take a moment to review these choices. Shopify may have different options depending on your store's setup or location, but generally this will involve confirming that you want to enable Apple Pay. Each choice you see here will guide you through customizing the integration to best suit your business needs. Some tips while you're setting this up. Make sure that all the information is correct and matches what you want displayed during the checkout phase for your customers. This ensures a smoother transaction process and less hassle for both parties involved. And that's it, you've successfully added Apple Pay to your Shopify store, bringing a fast and secure payment method to enhance your customers' shopping experience. Thank you for watching and happy selling.